Now, the forecast with KOIN 6 Chief Meteorologist Bruce Sussman.
All right, well, I hope you have your sunglasses handy. I'm sure you wore them today, and you're going to need them the rest of the week. Let's talk about tomorrow first. It's going to be warmer out the door. I've got us in the upper 40s here in the heart of the metro area. Suburbs, could be closer to 40 degrees. 68 by lunchtime with sunshine, so a fantastic day to eat lunch outside on the picnic table or head to the park when the kids get out of school around 3. We're in the mid-70s. And finally, we end up in the upper 70s at 5, 6 o'clock tomorrow evening. So sunshine all the way through. And by the time the Timbers take the field for their match tomorrow night at 7:30, I think we'll be down to the low 70s. We're going to get a bit of an ocean breeze to help cool us off tomorrow evening, but still, that's fantastic weather. I mean, think of all the rainy matches we've had, not tomorrow night. By the end of regulation, should be down to about 60, so you may want to bring a light jacket if you're going to tomorrow night's big match against the Revolution. And go Timbers, huh? That's great what they did for Atticus today. All right, 58 degrees is the current temperature right now. So we are cooling off in the evenings, and we'll continue to do so, but a little less each night. Or maybe a lot less. Look at this. We're 11 degrees warmer right now in Portland than this time last night. Scappoose, way to go, 14 degrees warmer than this time last night. Our hot spots today, Camas, Battleground, Lake Oswego, and Clackamas. And they kind of matched up with what happened in Portland proper, 72 for a high, the second warmest temperature on this map. The big picture is we had some high clouds cruising overhead. We still do right now. Most of those will be moving out by around sunrise. Might be a few left over. The rain continues to go out here, and that's in response to high pressure, which is here. And it's kind of putting us in this bubble of warm air. The longer this pattern stays in place, progressively, we just keep getting warmer, and so that's why we're at the beginning of our warming trend. Along the coast tomorrow, you may get some brief east winds on the north coast, warming you to 70, but in the afternoon, the ocean breeze takes over. But look at the mid to upper 70s in the I-5 corridor. Beautiful in Salem at 77, 46 for a morning low in Portland. We hit 78 in the afternoon. Some breezy areas. It's a northeast wind. That's a warm wind for us. 78 in Beaverton, 77 in Hillsborough tomorrow afternoon after kind of a chilly start. Clackamas, you hit 78. So does Portland. And how about up to Vancouver, 78 degrees with a 77 in Battleground. So here's how we're going to play it. The warming trend is on. And tomorrow we start warmer than today. We end warmer than today. And that's because of a combination of sun and wind. Then we really heat up. Starting on Saturday, we hit 83 degrees. Sunday, we're into the mid-80s, and I think right now it looks like we're going to hang on to that kind of heat into early next week. And then finally, we get the ocean breeze that kicks in, and we start to cool down. And one other thing, Jeff and Kelly, I was just looking at the latest forecast, I guess you want to call it, simulations for the coast this weekend. Oh. Because of the wind, there's a good chance some places along the coast will be in the 70s, and some might even make it into the 80s. Over the weekend, in early May.
What in the world?
This will be the May that we'll talk about for years. Remember that May where it was like summer?
Yeah.
Honestly,
no
that's
doubt.
what we'll be
This
up.
is like summer heat. I mean, that 7-day forecast looks like summer.
Actually, we'll forget all about it.
Yeah, we will.
During the next rainstorm.
Yeah. Well, what was that?
Yeah, really.
Exactly.